10 amazing gadgets that will blow your mind. BMW electrified wingsuit. Open Bionics X Konami Venom Hero Bionic Arm. Virtuix Omni One VR Treadmill. Microsoft Autonomous Robots with Azure Cloud. Elite Song Hello from the Weather Temperature Machine. Science Robotics Row Beetle Insect-Sized Microbot. Sony Spatial Reality Display. Space Tourism. This one isn't exactly a futuristic gadget, but it is a technology and future that we can all get excited about. We may go almost any place on the planet without difficulty, yet what if we could all one day view the Earth from space? Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, and even Amazon's Blue Origin aim to make this science fiction a reality someday, and they'll offer us, quite costly, seats aboard a spaceship to orbit. 2. Futuristic gadgets in the form of robot butlers. Yes, chores are boring, but they're also inconveniently necessary. But what if robots could relieve you of the drudgery? Robots have already helped with vacuuming and smart home appliances. Larger, more capable robots are also appearing on the scene. We may be living in a world full of helpful robots that serve as butlers, chefs, or general helpers around the house, just like in a sci-fi movie. Withings Body Scan. The Withings Body Scan revealed at the Consumer Electronics Show 2022 is what you'd get if you combined a scale with a doctor who lives in your home. The Withings Body Scan will show you the fat mass of your entire body, including separate percentages for arms, legs, torso, and so on, as well as your vascular age. There won't be any scale smarter than this one if you don't mind having it be somewhat invasive to the point of sending electrical currents through your body. 4. Furbo Dog Camera. This 1080p HD camera will allow you to keep in contact with your collie when you're away from home, providing a line of sight through the lens. You'll be able to keep an eye on your breed no matter what, thanks to a 160 degrees broad-angle lens, 4x zoom, and infrared night vision mode. This device has many useful functions, including a barking alert that sends a push notification to your phone if your dog is distressed and a two-way communication system to talk to your pet to soothe or calm them down. You may also save up to 100 snacks in the device and remotely throw them to your pet for them to play with during a delicious game of catch. Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. This eco-friendly notepad has 32 pages that are simple to clean with a damp cloth when used with Pilot friction pens, the first reusable notepad of its kind. They claim it has the same feel as writing on a conventional pad because of its unique space-aged paper, which is the first reusable notepad of its kind. The small size of this cool gadget makes it perfect to slip into a purse or jacket pocket. The unifaceted design means that it's less likely to break if dropped. It comes in a variety of sizes, and the Rocketbook app is compatible with it. This allows you to scan your notes, which will be saved into a cloud of your choosing so that you'll never lose your work and may go back at any time. Sing Cell Alpha Speaker. This spherical speaker has piqued our interest because it is something genuinely new in the world of home audio. Sing was started by a former Apple designer who claims that this is the first triphones speaker, which means it creates sound using 3 speakers rather than 2. This doesn't seem entirely mad, but we'll need to see one in person before rendering a decision. If you have spare cash on hand, the firm recommends purchasing 3 of the speakers for the best sound quality. Tesla Cyberquad. Elon Musk isn't a stranger to releasing an odd piece of technology. Between the boring company's flamethrowers and his ideas for brain chips, the Cyberquads seem perfectly at home. The environmentally friendly options of battery-free riding are both interesting and fun, with all-electric bikes having a full steel frame and speeds up to 10 miles per hour powered by a lithium-ion battery. Because it is out of stock, the Cyberquad may take some time before becoming available. Beasound Emerge Smart Speaker. The Beasound Emerge is the most attractive Bluetooth speaker on the market. The Beasound Emerge has Google Assistant, so it can operate compatible home devices, 2. Despite this smart device's small stature, the sound is produced by a separate tweeter, mid-range driver, and subwoofer, resulting in room-filling, detailed music. You may also connect it with a second speaker to create stereo sound if you somehow have enough money left over after purchasing one. Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool Formaldehyde. Many of us know that air pollution is harmful to our health, but we may have overlooked what is happening in our own homes. It turns out that cooking and cleaning fill our houses with pollutants at higher levels than outside. Even our furnishings release formaldehyde, a chemical produced during the manufacturing process. The newest version of Dyson's Purifier Hot Plus Cool includes filters to remove particles polluting our home's air, such as formaldehyde. It also has a lot of sensors to tell you what generates the most pollution. In this case, cooking makes the air quality severe, and it can be both a powerful fan and heater. Vauny's Vespera Smart Telescope. Without an eyepiece to look through, the idea of a telescope may elicit several strongly worded letters from our readers, but we can't help but drool over Vauny's gorgeous new instrument. The Vespera makes looking up at the stars a lot easier. The scope captures images that hit its sensors and feeds them to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, making it possible to view the cosmos from under the covers. There are so many cool futuristic gadgets out there that it's a great time to shop for them. Imagine what the future holds for the cool futuristic gadgets that will surface in the next 10 years.